Flight turbulence, one flyer fractures hand, another suffers spinal injury. New Delhi, a passenger fractured her right hand and another received spinal injuries when a Vistara Mumbai-Kolkata flight on Monday encountered severe turbulence during descent. Both passengers were senior citizens. The Boeing 737 with almost 120 people on board experienced turbulence when it was at 20,000 to 17,000 flight level. While some passengers were injured, 3 of them had to be taken to hospital for checkup. Anita Agrawal, 61, who was on seat 39D fractured her right hand. Timir Baran Das, 77, who was on seat 26A has received spinal tendinous injury. Sudeep Roy, 36, who was on seat 30B, received minor cut on his forehead and was discharged after first aid. Indigo's Bengaluru-Kolkata flight had to divert to Ranchi. Pre-monsoon weather conditions have begun affecting flights in the region. On Sunday, June 6, Indigo's Bengaluru-Kolkata flight had to divert to Ranchi due to wind shear at the destination. The Airbus A320neo VTIzer took off around 3 p.m. as 6E997 and was approaching its destination when it experienced wind shear, a sudden change of wind velocity and/or direction. The crew then decided to divert to Ranchi, where it landed safely. IELTS body moves Bombay HC seeking compensation for COVID victims. In C-19's second wave in India, 5 senior Air India pilots lost their lives. The next of kin of these 5 pilots will get only 10 lakh rupees as compensation in the case of C-19 related deaths, as announced by the Air India management in March 2020. The association filed a public interest litigation (PIL) before the court on Monday seeking direction to the centre for an ex gratia payment of 10 crore rupees to the families of the deceased pilots. The Federation of Indian Pilots on Tuesday approached the Bombay High Court to seek adequate compensation for pilots who succumbed to the coronavirus disease COVID-19. The Pilots Association is also seeking priority vaccination and insurance coverage for those working during the pandemic, reported NewsAge. Centre issues SOP for people travelling abroad. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on Monday issued SOP for vaccination of people undertaking international travel for education, employment and India's contingent for the Tokyo Olympics. As per the new guidelines, the COWIN certificates of vaccinated travellers will be linked with their passports. Demand for air travel zooms as COVID wave ebbs. As COVID-19 cases start to decline, demand for travel is growing again, with airlines as well travel portals reporting up to 100% increase in bookings. Increase in vaccination would also help revival of the sector, said industry executives. Indigo, India's largest carrier in terms of market share and capacity, said bookings have doubled since the low of May this year. According to the minister's tweet, daily flown passengers have moved up from the bottom of 40,000 to now over 80,000. So, we can say booking and flying passengers have almost doubled from the bottom sometime in the middle of May 21st.